Hello students, I Jai Khatri from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. In the previous video, you have studied about network and types of network. In this video, I will explain you network topology and types of network topology. First of all, I will explain you what is network topology. The configuration or topology of a network is key to determining its performance. Network topology is the way a network is arranged, including the physical or logical description of how links and nodes are set up to relate to each other. In other words, you can say layout or structure of network is called network topology. Now I will explain you what are the types of topology. Generally there are 5 types of topology: mesh topology, star topology, bus topology, ring topology, and hybrid topology. One by one I will explain you. Bus topology. Bus topology is a network type in which every computer and network device is connected to a single cable, is known as bus or backbone cable. When it has exactly two endpoints, then it is called linear bus topology. Now I will explain you what are the features of bus topology. It transmits data only in one direction. Every device is connected to a single cable. Advantages of bus topology. It is cost effective. Cable required is least compared to other network topology. Used in small networks. It is easy to understand. Easy to expand joining two cables together. Disadvantages of bus topology. Cable fails, then whole networks fail. If network traffic is heavy or nodes are more, the performance of the network decreases. Cable has a limited length. It is slower than the ring topology. Through this diagram, you can understand the concept of bus topology. Star topology. In this type of topology, all the computers are connected to a single hub through a cable. This hub is the central node, and all other nodes are connected to the central node. Now I will explain you what are the features of star topology. Every node has its own dedicated connection to the hub. Hub acts as a repeater. Star topology can be used with twisted pair cable, optical fiber cable, coaxial cable. Advantages of star topology. Fast performance with few nodes and low network traffic. Hub can be upgraded easily. Easy to troubleshoot. Easy to set up and modify. Low startup cost. Easy to manage. Offers opportunities for expansion. Most popular topology in use. Disadvantages of star topology. Hub is a single point of failure. Requires more cable than the bus topology. Through this diagram, you can understand the concept of star topology. Ring topology. It is called ring topology because it forms a ring, as each computer is connected to another computer, with the last one connected to the first. We can say exactly two neighbors for each device. Now I will explain you what are the features of ring topology. The transmission is unidirectional, but it can be made bidirectional by having two connections between each network node. It is called double ring topology. In double ring topology, two ring networks are formed and data flow is in opposite direction. Also, if one ring fails, the second ring can act as a backup. Advantages of ring topology. Transmitting network is not affected by high traffic or by adding more nodes, as only the nodes having tokens can transmit data. Cheap to install and expand. Disadvantages of ring topology. Troubleshooting is difficult in ring topology. Adding or deleting the computers disturbs the network activity. Failure of one computer disturbs the whole network. You can see the diagram of ring topology. Tree topology. It has a root node and all other nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. It is also called hierarchical topology. It should at least have 3 levels to the hierarchy. Now I will explain you features of tree topology. Ideal if workstations are located in groups. Used in wide area network. Advantages of tree topology. Extension of bus and star topologies. Expansion of nodes is possible and easy. Easily managed and maintained. Error detection is easily done. Disadvantages of tree topology. Heavily cabled, costly. If more nodes are added, maintenance is difficult. Central hub fails, network fails. Through this diagram, you can understand the concept of tree topology. Mesh topology. It is a point-to-point connection to other nodes or devices. All the network nodes are connected to each other. There are two types of mesh topology, fully mesh topology and partial mesh topology. First I will explain you what is fully mesh topology. In this type of topology, each and every nodes are connected to each other. Partial mesh topology. In this type of topology, some of the systems are connected in the same fashion as mesh topology, but some devices are only connected to 2 or 3 devices. Advantages of mesh topology. In this type of topology, each connection can carry its own data load. It is a robust. Fault is diagnosed easily. Provides security and privacy. Disadvantages of mesh topology. Installation and configuration is difficult. Cabling cost is more. Bulk wiring is required. You can see the diagram of fully mesh topology. Now you can see the diagram of partial mesh topology. So dear students, I hope you understood the concept of network topology and types of network topology. In next video, I will explain you what is transmission media and types of transmission media. Thank you.